What are you doing?
Well, I told my viewers, some people barbecue outside. I cook breakfast outside, evidently.
That's great.
And, yeah, I know, right? And that's
Is that
bacon?
barbecue, fried snake? Oh, no.
We missed that opportunity.
Yeah, we did, didn't we?
And then
Biscuits in the air fryer. The puppies are outside the fence, so they don't knock any of this over. Isn't that right, Finster? Isn't that right, Finster? Huh? Hi, Finster. Hi, Finster. Hanging on the Finster. Finn. Sammy. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? She brought her fine china out for breakfast this morning.
just for you.
Alright, I got my chicken enchiladas rolled. I got the chicken and cheese in there. I'm just going to add some green chili enchilada sauce and add some more cheese. Can I do this and not make a mess? Who knows? I don't need all this. Do I? No. And then cheese. And cheese. Okay, I need my other hand. All right, I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Oh, I don't need that tray in there. I don't need that tray, and I need to take this stuff off of the top of here. Yes, I do. So I'm gonna put that tray up there. All right. Let that cook for a little while. All right, there's my green chicken enchiladas. They kind of fell apart coming out of the can. So they're good and hot, tender. That's some more of that chicken from that chicken I cooked in the crock pot that I froze. So this is meal number 3. Because we ate it by itself. Then we had chicken last night in our salad. And then chicken enchiladas.
Sweet.
Sweet. Good. I got more enchiladas.
Yay.
This is the leftover enchilada with a little bit of bacon on top. I'm going to put an egg on it. And that's for you.
Yum.
I'm having biscuits. Well, you're gonna have biscuit too, right?
I'm not sure yet.
Okay. Biscuits. Egg. Oh, I broke your yolk.
Aw.
Sorry.
No worries. It's still going to taste good. Yeah, I think a little bit of cheese. A little bit of cheese will be good.
Okay. He don't care how he lands. He just lands and then sleeps.
He was on both my legs, and he got up to look at Sammy for something and laid down, and he's been there ever since.
Look at all that paint stuff.
Ugh.
I should...
On me? Or
no, over here. I should show him. How many people realize that the title of my video was Continue Painting and I didn't have any painting in it?
That's funny.
Isn't that funny?
Show them my dirty shed.
Oh, yeah. I won't.
No, it's okay.
Actually,
as long as you show them that.
All right. It's finished, except it needs a second coat up at the top. Good morning. There's one lonely cow. Good morning, cow. Good morning. Good morning, and it's not even morning. It's 12:44. So, good afternoon. I have not hardly done any videos in the last 4 days. 3 days. I've done some little clips here and there, but not really any, you know, significant clips or updates or anything. So I thought, well, I need to do that. I need to do that now. So we're gonna go into town and get something to eat. You know, you live out here in the middle of nowhere. You don't go to work. You don't go you don't, you know, sometimes you just like, I just need to go somewhere. It's that part of being a nomad, I guess. It's like, I need to drive. I need to travel. We had a meeting this morning from 10 to just probably about 12:30. Long one. And so I don't feel like cooking. And all we've been doing is painting the last few days, and I just have a little bit of touch up, little bit of trim for the second coat and some touch up, and then I think we'll be done. Then I could get back to, I've just been concentrating and not really thinking about YouTube and videoing and all that. So anyway, gotta go to the trash. So I'm gonna go pick Deborah up. We're gonna go to the trash, dump off all that, and then go into town. And I think we're eating somewhere new today. Yeah. Well, I've had it before, but not here. Look how good her buildings look. Yeah. You can't tell, but needs a little bit of touch up. But from far away, it looks good.